20 past 5. Umdloti beach. Conditions are not too good, guys. Got a lot of sand mixing. We've got a sandbank here, and the tide is pushing out. The conditions are not good at Umdloti beach for fishing, so we're going to move up to the rocks on the left hand side, see what it's like on that side. Good morning, guys. Saturday, 5:30, 26th February, Umdloti beach. Fishing with light tackle today, guys. Water's still going out. Let's see if there's anything in the front here. Here's that beautiful sunrise, guys. There is a gentleman to my right. He's got a lure. He's trying. Let's see if he picks up anything. Apart from that gentleman and myself, there's nobody here, guys. It's a beautiful morning. No bites going, guys. No action. Let's see how this morning turns out to be. It's dead low, guys, and there's no bites. Nothing at all. Okay, guys, there's nothing going on here, so I'm just gonna take a drive to another section of the beach, or maybe another beach, and see. Maybe the water may be a bit better on that side. Umdloti beach is definitely not looking good. The tide's gonna start coming up now, so I'd like to get a bigger bait in the water. There's absolutely nothing going on here. There's a guy on my left. He's also fishing, and he's had nothing at all. So I have a very strong feeling that the water is contaminated with a lot of sewage. But yeah, let's get to another section and see if there's anything on that side. Okay, so I've changed beaches. I've moved up north to Westbrook beach. Not looking great here, guys. We've got some dumpers in the back. Looks like we've got two sandbars at the back. There's some guys fishing on my left. Before I take out the heavy tackle, I'm just gonna try some light tackle at the front. Water's looking quite nice here, nice and deep. So let's see if there's anything at the front. Look at those dumpers, guys. Massive. It's been quite a disappointing morning at Umdloti, and there's nothing going on here, guys, at Westbrook beach. Look at those waves at the back. Not good, guys. The conditions are not good. I was hoping to get something small at the front here, but there's no bites. Nothing at all. Hey guys, it's been a disappointing morning at Umdloti Beach. We are now at Westbrook Beach. There's a couple of guys fishing at the back here. Nothing going on at the front here as well. We've got those dumpers at the back, sandbank at the back, and here comes the rain. So I'm gonna call it a wrap for today. I'll see if we can come out this afternoon, if it's gonna be raining or not. But otherwise tomorrow morning. Cheers guys.